Good morning, students. Are you all excited to learn a new chapter today? Yes, let's go into the topic. I want you all to identify the topic of the class. Yes, this is a connection game. Yes, you're right. D plus tear plus me plus nurse. Determiners. Okay. So, time for question. What is the topic that we are going to learn today? So today we are going to look at the topic called determiners. Okay. So what are determiners? So they are the words that give some information about the noun. You know what are nouns? Yes. So nouns are things, place or person. Okay. So they are the words. So determiners, what it will do is it will give an information about the noun. For example, the boy, an apple, that tree, her mother. So here the determiners are the, and, that, her. Okay, you may wonder that the and are articles. Yes, you are right. So articles is one of the types of the determiners. We'll see in detail. Okay. So what are the rules? Determiners are placed in front of the noun. So if there is a noun, for example, the boy is a noun. So the is a determiner. It is placed in front of the noun. And we cannot use the determiners, two determiners of the same type in one sentence. That is, if it is an article, we cannot use it in one sentence. Yes, two articles cannot be in one sentence. So we are going to look at the types of determiners. Okay, there are 6 types of determiners. What are they? Articles, demonstratives, possessive adjectives, quantifiers, ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers. Okay, there are 6 types of determiners. Yes, articles you all know. A, an and the. Okay. We can look everything in detail. Okay. So first we have articles. Articles have two types, that is definite and indefinite articles. So definite articles is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. So the is the definite article, a and an is the indefinite articles. Okay, when we use the, we are being more specific about the noun. Yes, so that is why that is called definite article. So indefinite articles are a and an. So when we use a and an, we won't be mentioning it as a very specific thing. Okay, it will be more general, or when the identity is not known to the reader or the speaker. Okay, for example, she eats an apple, I have a ball, can I get a pen? Okay, so these a and an refers to any of the apples or any of the balls or any of the pen. Okay, but when we change this, when we convert this a and an to the, we are being more specific. We want only that apple. For example, she wants the apple. She wants the apple which is there. It is not a general apple. In the same way, I have the ball. I have the ball. Okay. Can I get the pen? Can I get the pen which you have? Okay, which you have. It is not a general pen. It's not used by everyone. It is used only by your friend. You're asking to her. So that is called articles. Okay. Let's move on to the next type, that is demonstratives. Okay, so demonstratives is a word that directly indicates a person, thing, or few people and things. Okay, it tells you that it tells you directly. Okay, and also it will be in the position of an object from speaker's point of view. If I'm speaking, I point it out that. Okay, can you see the picture? The finger is pointing out the rabbit. Okay, so that is called demonstratives. For examples, take that chair. Okay, we are pointing it out to that chair. Okay, it's not a general, we are just pointing out to that chair. Then another example is get those books. Okay, we are pointing it out to that, to the books which are there. Okay, yes. The third type is possessive adjective. Okay, when you will be more possessive, when something is yours, you will be more possessive. Yes, so in the same way, possessive adjectives is also, it is an adjective It modifies a noun by identifying it. Okay, it identifies the noun and also it modifies the noun. It is used to refer people who have relation to something or someone. Okay, we'll see the example, then you'll understand what is that. My, our, your, his, her, its, their. These are all possessive adjectives. Okay, you can see that sticker which shows our planet. We say our planet only when it is ours. Yes, so that is called possessive adjective. For example, we have, this is my red shirt. He came to our party. It is your pen. She is her mother. Okay, so here can you identify the possessive adjective, the determiners? Yes, you are right. This is my shirt. He came to our party. It is your pen. She is her mother. My, our, your, her is a possessive adjective. So the next type is quantifiers. Okay, a word that usually goes before a noun to express the quality of an object or an action. Okay, so quantifiers, it tells you the quantity. Okay, it tells you the quantity. For example, some, any, few, little, more, much, many, every. So these are all quantifiers. It quantifies the noun. Okay, for example, give me some water. This ring costs more than a car. There are so many people crowding in this place. So identify the quantifiers here. Yes, some, more, many. Okay, these are all quantifiers. Can someone just think about a sentence by seeing that picture? So someone is pouring water to the plant. Yes, try to create a sentence. So the next type, the fifth type is cardinal numbers. Yes, what are cardinal numbers? Yes, you are right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In English also we use 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we use all the numbers in English also. Let's see an example now. Yes, let's see an example now. There were 5 dogs sitting on the wall. There are dogs, okay, that's not cat. So 5 dogs sitting on the wall. So we are using a number here. In the same way, next example is Clem Jones ate 17 oranges. So 17 is a cardinal number. So we are using number in English also. So the last and final type is ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? Yes, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. Yes, it will go like that. So these are all ordinal numbers. In English, we also use ordinal numbers. Yes. For example, she got first prize in quiz competition. So first is the ordinal number. Ram is studying 10th standard. So 10th is an ordinal number. Okay. Before going into the follow-up work, let's have a quick recap. Okay, how many determiners types are there? There are 6 types: articles, demonstrative, possessive adjective, quantifiers, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Okay, so for follow-up work, write 5 sentences for each type and underline the determiners. Okay. Thank you for attending the class. Let's see the next topic in the coming classes. Yes, take care, children.